Sup, y'all? I'm home. Okay. Vlogging, final thought, whatever you want to do. Whatever it is. Okay. I'm back home right now. Okay. After going out there, observing what the hell is going on out there. Everybody had the cameras out there. Okay. So looking at that rubble. And then from a far distance, looked like I saw debris on the ground, Wow, I really can't believe it with a passion, you know what I'm saying? So, as far as that, I'm glad to be home, Okay, got on my pajama pants and I still got this street shirt on, okay? I guess I'm gonna get in my night shirt, okay? So. Y'all think I should wear this shirt to go to bed, or this feeling lucky shirt right here? Okay. Well, what y'all think? Should I put on this shirt to go to bed in, or this one? Well, I'm gonna put on this feeling lucky. I'll be right back. Feeling lucky. Alright. So anyway, went out there, met a few people. I had to feature this guy Ethan on the show. Okay. Welcome to the Dominoes 7 show, I should tell him. And I'm glad I did welcome him on the Dominoes 7 show. Okay. Yep. So I really enjoy having him on the show. Let me just look outside right now. Well, nothing out there. Well, I might as well lock this door. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's not like somebody gonna climb something and walk in here or something. Cause I'm on the second floor. Okay. This room is on the second floor where I'm at. Okay. This ain't no backyard or front door. Okay. So for some people that's watching me for the first time, this is not a back door or a front door, okay? All right. So just in case of anything, this is Dominoes 7 Studios. All right. So you know what, folks? I have to do what I gotta do. Okay. So a lot of people got footages. Everybody seems like everybody got footages. All right, I'm proud of some of you people doing that, Okay? So I must say, y'all, I really enjoyed meeting some people, but I definitely hope that y'all watch the Dominoes 7 show, You never know what my plans are, Okay? But what I really want to talk about, the people that was hurt. Did y'all watch that video when that crane fell? I mean, there was a couple of people running away, and as I heard about yesterday, concrete or debris or whatever the hell it was, fell on the back windshield of somebody's car, I don't know why the hell that happened. They say 2 people deceased, a few missing, Alright, so I want y'all to do me a favor. Check every milk and cranny, please, okay? Not only that, check the elevator shafts too, okay? Because I saw they was building elevators in there too, so make sure y'all check the elevator shafts, Whoever's doing the search party, check the elevator shafts, check here or there, okay? That's all. Check everywhere, including elevator shafts, okay? All right. So, I mean, I'm concerned. Make sure y'all pray for the people. My condolence to the people, family that they lost. Okay. So my condolence. Okay. So I'm very sorry about hearing about that. I mean, that's terrible. I'm very sad to hear about that though. Okay. So This is a vlog and a final thought or whatever. So that's all I gotta say, okay? So like Bob Barker would say, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered, alright? That's all I gotta say, alright? Bye, y'all.